Dear students, good morning. We take a topic scalar product of vectors. Okay. देखिए in this topic we take this formula. We take small letters a vector dot b vector equal to a b cos theta. This is the basic formula for scalar product of two vectors. Means if we multiply two vectors, or it is also called as dot product of vectors, is a vector dot b vector equal to a b cos theta. A is the magnitude of first vector a and b is the magnitude of second vector, and theta is the angle between a vector and b vector. Here we take some important condition that theta equal to 90, then a dot b is 0. It is very important condition. When two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then a vector dot b vector becomes 0. Okay, and if a theta is less than 90, then cos theta is positive, so a dot b is positive. If theta is greater than 90 and less than 180, then a dot b is negative. Okay. Now we we take first topic is angle between two vectors. By this formula we can find angle between two vectors. What is the formula for angle between two vectors? Then angle between these two vectors are given by this formula cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector upon magnitude of a and magnitude of b. From this formula also we can prove that if theta equal to 90 degree, means if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then if we put here 90, then cos 90 becomes 0. Then a vector dot b vector equal to 0. Now in this condition, a vector dot b vector becomes equal to 0. इस कंडीशन में आप देखेंगे कि a वेक्टर और b वेक्टर की जो वैल्यू होगी, a वेक्टर डॉट b वेक्टर बिकम्स इक्वल टू 0. ये 0 है. You have to learn this condition. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then a vector dot b vector is 0. Okay. And by this formula we can find the angle between two given vectors. Next point is square of any vector a. If we square any vector a vector, then if we dot product of a vector by a vector, then by this formula it becomes magnitude of first vector, a vector is a, magnitude of second vector is a, and these two vectors are same vector, so any vector makes 0 degree angle from itself. Okay, then angle is 0, then cos 0 is 1, then it becomes a square, means a vector dot a vector is a square. Means if we square any vector, squaring any vector, then it is meaning that we have to dot product of that vector from itself. Okay, उस वेक्टर का हम उसी वेक्टर से क्या करेंगे, डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, then it becomes square, a square. Okay, then next topic is squares and scalar product of I, j and k. What is the I, j and I cap, j cap and k cap? What is I cap, j cap and k cap? Everybody know what is I cap, j cap and k cap? I cap is the unit vector in x direction, j cap is the unit vector in y direction, and k cap is the unit vector in z direction. Okay, now if we multiply with I cap dot I cap or j cap dot j cap or k cap dot k cap, what happens? By this formula, a vector dot b vector a b cos theta, magnitude of this I cap is 1, magnitude of this I cap is also 1, Angle between I cap and I cap means same vectors. So angle is 0, cos 0 is 1. So I cap dot I cap is 1. Like that j cap dot j cap dot j cap is also 1, and k cap dot k cap is also 1. मीन्स सेम यूनिट वेक्टर्स का आप डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तब आपको क्या मिलेगा? 1 मिलेगा। सेम यूनिट वेक्टर्स का डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 1 मिलेगा। नाउ इफ वी डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आई कैप टू जे कैप और जे कैप डॉट के कैप और के कैप डॉट आई कैप और एनी अदर के डॉट जे डॉट के। नाउ magnitude of I cap is 1, magnitude of J cap is also 1, but angle between I and J is 90 degree. Angle between I and J becomes 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. So I cap dot J cap is 0. Like that J cap dot K cap is also 0. K cap dot I cap is also 0. All these are 0. मीन्स सेम यूनिट वेक्टर्स का आप डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 1। और जब आप डिफरेंट यूनिट वेक्टर्स का आप डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे देन आपको क्या मिलेगा? 90, बिकॉज I कैप J कैप एंड K कैप आर x एक्सिस y एक्सिस और z एक्सिस के अलोंग क्या है? यूनिट वेक्टर्स हैं, एंड वी नो दैट x एक्सिस y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस all three are perpendicular to each other. So the dot product of these vectors are 0 here. So dot product of these vectors are 0. Okay, then we take some properties of scalar product or dot product. Then we take some properties of scalar product of and dot product. These properties are number 1. Number 1 property is the scalar product is commutative. Very simple. What is the meaning of this commutative? Commutative meaning is A vector dot B vector equal to B vector dot A vector. Means A vector dot B vector की जो वैल्यू होगी वो B vector और A vector के इक्वल आएगी। मीन्स इसमें हम इसकी आगे पीछे करेंगे then there is no change. This is known as commutative property of the dot product. Again, next property is if we multiply A dot B by any number m, then it can be written as m A vector dot B vector, or we can also write it A vector dot m B vector. These all are same. M is a number. If we multiply A dot B by m and we multiply m first A, then we find dot product of m A and B, and if we multiply that m by B and then we find A dot and m B, then we got same value. Okay, ये भी एक फॉर्मूला इसमें गिवन है. Okay, and scalar product of two vectors in terms of rectangular component. The next topic, एक बात और, if A vector is multiplied with minus B vector dot product, then we got minus A vector dot B vector. माइनस साइन को आप बाहर ले लेंगे, बट A भी माइनस का है और B भी माइनस का है, both are minus, then minus multiply with minus becomes plus A vector dot B vector. Okay, then next is multiplication of. These all topics I send in notes. So you have to write down these notes in your notebook, then see the video and understand these topics. Okay. Let us assume that A vector is A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. Okay. And B vector is B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Okay. Then what is A vector dot B vector? Now here we have to multiply this a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap dot b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now by normal multiplication, this term is multiplied with these three terms, then this is multiplied with these three terms, and this is multiplied with these three terms. Then we got 9 terms. But we know that when we multiply this a1 I cap is multiplied with this b1 I cap plus b2 j cap and b3 k cap. Okay. Then we know that I dot I becomes 1, but I dot j and I dot k is 0. So when we multiply this by this and this, then it becomes 0. So here we apply a concept that we know that I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1. But I dot j dot I, k dot I, k dot j, when different unit vectors are multiplied, then it becomes 0. So we only multiply I cap multiplier with I cap multiplier. So a1 b1, a1 b1 and I dot I becomes 1. वो नहीं लिखा हमने, प्लस j cap का जो है j cap के साथ में a2 है और यहाँ j के साथ b2 है. Then a2 multiply with b2, j dot j becomes 1 and a3 b3. When we have to multiply two vectors dot product, when we do the dot product of two vectors, then we multiply I cap के साथ में जो होगा मल्टीप्लाई जो भी होगा उसको आप इधर वाले I cap के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, j cap वाले को j cap के साथ और k cap वाले को k cap के साथ विद साइन. तो आप देखेंगे ये आ जाएगा a डॉट b की. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेंगे. थैंक यू.